How to enable VODs on Twitch Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser. I have opened Chrome. Search Twitch login and click on Twitch login page. After you're in here, simply log into your Twitch account. After that, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Desktop Site. After its desktop site, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find all these options pop up. Simply click on Creator Dashboard, which is the second option. After you've clicked on Creator Dashboard, on the left side you'll find all these options. Simply click on the gear icon. Then click on Stream. Here, simply scroll down and you'll find VODs. Simply turn it on by clicking on VOD settings and stream rewind and turn store past broadcast on. After you do that, you'll find other options as well. This is how to enable VODs on Twitch Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.